We're now entering 17 laps to go, the women's 10,000 meters final. Again at the lead there, Natalia Prado Alfonso of New Caledonia and Tanya Tan of Northern Mariana. Laps, ladies and gentlemen, 16 laps to go in the women's 10,000 meters. And again, at the lead there, Natalia Prado Alfonso of New Caledonia and Tanya Tan of the Northern Mariana Islands. We're entering 15 laps, again still up to lead, Natalia Prado Alfonso, New Caledonia, and Tanya Tan, Northern Marianas. So French Polynesia there coming in behind the two at the lead. Women's 10,000 meters final. Here at the ladies and gentlemen, 14 laps to go with still Natalia Prado Alfonso and Tanya Tan at the front. 14 laps. French. Let's show them some support. Pulling up there just behind the top three, but we're going now into 13 laps to go for both Natalia Alfonso and Tanya Tan up the front. We're going to 12 laps to go, the women's 10,000 meters final. Natalia Alfonso coming in behind Tanya Tan of Northern Marianas. Ladies and gentlemen, just going on to 11 laps now with the two up the front, Tanya Tan and Natalia Alfonso of New Caledonia. Till 10 laps to go, 10 laps to go for those at the lead. That's Tanya Tan of the Northern Marianas and Natalia Alfonso of New Caledonia. Going on to 9 laps to go for the two up the front. That's Tanya Tan of Northern Marianas and Natalie Alfonso of New Caledonia. And at third, but 1 lap behind, is French Polynesia. And currently at 4, 5 and 6 is French Polynesia and the Solomon Islands.
Sorry, just initial.
I like stream, I like stream.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're making a live stream?
Yeah,
Facebook?
YouTube. For TMC.
I'm looking for that sometimes and I cannot find.
TMC Palau. You just search TMC Palau.
I always search the NCC and
TMC number stream. The number camera. The number stuff to do the stream.
okay. Because sometimes I like to watch especially volleyball.
Yeah, there is volleyball TMC.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Tanya Chen of Northern Marianas and Natalie Alfonso of New
Chen.
Caledonia entering 8 laps.
Natalie of New Caledonia.
8 laps to
Number
go.
1 and number 2. Number 3 is 1 lap behind. Tahiti, oh, French Polynesia, I guess. And what is that? Tanya Tam, PMG, number 4.
Let's show them some support, ladies and gentlemen. This rainy Friday morning here at the Palau Track and Field. This is event number 2 now underway. The women's 10,000 meters final.
Lunch. It's going to be lunch. Takal breakfast.
Tanya Chen and Natalie Alfonso now going into their remaining 7th lap. And just behind them, French.
Number 1, CNMI. Number 2, New Caledonia. And number 3, 1 lap behind, French Polynesia. Morning, Walio.
French Polynesia following behind, and the Solomon Islands, but currently in the lead, Tanya Chen, Northern Marianas, Natalia Prado Alfonso of New Caledonia.
Charlie nga lagi, Bangladesh. Charlie, Bangladesh. Charlie. Tell Bangladesh lagi. Bangladesh. Yeah, oh, good. Basag. We fill up some water. Huh? No, we fill up
6
water.
laps remain
Yeah,
for the
guys,
two
come.
up top there. Tanya Chen, Northern Marianas, and Natalia Alfonso, New Caledonia.
Ulyo. Hold my food. No stream for me. It's my stream. Are you back? I just got this. See, naman is the winner. Kind of like.
French Polynesia coming in 4 and 5 there, just in front of the Solomon line. This is the women's 10,000 meters final here at the Palau Track and Field Stadium. Tanya Chan and Natalia Alfonso, 5 laps to go, and just behind them, French Polynesia.
Now there is the driving assistant with a yellow superfin set, because you could do that because you give a red and then it's really up to the side or whatever. That's my own style. I've been trying to learn that.
Four more laps to go for Tanya Chan, Northern Marianas, and just behind her, Natalia Alfonso, New Caledonia. And with 1 lap French Polynesia there, 1 lap behind Tanya Chan and Natalia Alfonso. Women's 10,000 meters final.
Ôi. Ôi. Ôi, mà ơi. Okay, sulang. Ôi, thank you. All right. Repeat what that guy said. That time. So say voice over. Give me a voice over. Come on. Million lang kayo.
Three more laps remain there for Tanya Chan, Northern Marianas, and Natalie Alfonso, New Caledonia.
3 more laps to go.
20 more laps
Three.
to go.
Three.
Well,
Say 3 more laps.
3 more laps to go.
Ali. Who's covering? Who else is covering the
French Polynesia there,
Marietta?
tracking behind.
Oh,
When you dropped it, or is that in your, I didn't clean my bag.
I'm a pro livery. Sorry, lapped.
A white cap there. Tanya Chen of Northern Marianas now at the lead. 2 laps remaining.
2 laps remaining.
2 laps there.
Number 2 or number 3. The other girl is actually 1 lap behind. But she's still number 3. I think 1 lap behind. I'm lucky. And she's like extending her lead and will turn the imo. Ayun na number 4. Okay. Last lap kaya niya kada following.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tanya Chen there, Northern Marianas with her final lap now.
Final lap, Tanitan.
And just behind her in second place, final lap as well, Natalia Alfonso of New Caledonia. Let's give her a round of applause. Natalia Chen of Northern Marianas coming in there first here in the women's 10,000 meters finals. Let's give it up to Natalia Alfonso, also of New Caledonia. Coming in second there. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Natalia Pardo Alfonso, New Caledonia at second.
Medical! Medical team oleh mga sa loob po oleh. number 3.
Let's give it up for Sophie Bruchonet, French Polynesia, third in the women's 10,000 meters final. Moreau, the French Polynesia, coming in fourth. The women's 10,000 meters finals event number 2 here at the Palau Track and Field Stadium.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, still on the tracks there, Papua New Guinea's Mary Tenge,